Reports say there were over 16 million new gardeners in 2020, and that nearly $150 billion are spent each year on landscaping services and garden products. So if we're spending all this time and money in the garden, why do most people say it's nearly impossible to keep a plant alive? Maybe it's because most of us start by heading to the hardware store and buying a tomato plant. What's missing is a system that asks the frustrated or beginner gardener the big questions. How much time, how much sun, how much space do you have this season in the garden? And then matches the best plants to that gardener's specific needs. My new book, Leaves, Roots, and Fruit, does just that. After helping hundreds of clients get started in the garden, I noticed a trend. Their growth as gardeners reflected the natural growth of the garden. Plants produce leaves first, then deep roots, and finish with flowers and fruit. It's this progression that helped create the system presented in my new book. The first section begins with the plants that need the least amount of sun, space, and time, and that's leafy plants. The reader will start with shoots and sprouts and move to herbs like chives and rosemary, and finish off with greens like Swiss chard, kale, and lettuces. When there's more sun, space, and time, the reader can progress to root crops like potatoes, garlic, onions, carrots, radishes, and beets. By the end of the book, the reader has graduated and is finally ready to grow fruit. Things like cucumbers, squash, zucchini, peppers, and beans, and even tomatoes. But this time, they're not from the hardware store. This book is made for the person who's bought some plants, maybe bought a lot of plants, but is still convinced that they don't have a green thumb. The system inside Leaves, Roots, and Fruit works. Leaves, Roots, and Fruit will keep would-be gardeners from throwing in the trowel by giving them an actionable plan for success in the garden, one plant at a time.